channel. Today I am going to do an average of 5 on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's get started. R2, F, L prime, D2, L, B2, R, B2, F2, R, U2, B prime, D2, F, L, D prime, L2, U. Okay, let's get started into the solve. Actually, inspection. Actually, remember it was white top, green front. F2, white top, green front. F2, R prime, F2, L, U, D, F, R, U2, D2, B2, R, D2, F2, R, B2, R2, U2, D. Okay, let's look. R prime, L2, B prime, L prime, U prime, R prime, F prime, D, R prime, D2, F2, D2, D2, L2, B prime, U2, F, L2, F2, U2, L2, D. L prime, D2, B prime, R, F, D prime, R prime, F2, D2, B prime, R2, F prime, U2, U2, D2, F, U2, B2, R prime. F, U2, R2, U2, B2, L2, U2, F2, U, R2, D, L2, F, L prime, F, R, U2, F, D2, R prime, U. 16. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, happy cubing. Bye.